Hello everyone, and welcome to today's drawing tutorial. We're going to learn how to draw a realistic dump truck from scratch. Grab your drawing materials and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the driver's cabin. Draw a vertical rectangle on the right part of your drawing paper. Replace the bottom with a groove for the front wheel, and then bend the top left part of the rectangle to form the windshield. Step 2. Draw the bottom frame. The bottom frame is the base of the truck where everything is mounted. Draw a rectangle beneath the cab and extend it to the right. To protect the driver's cabin, add a vertical rectangle behind the driver's cab. Step 3. Draw the dump box. To draw the dump box, draw a rectangle behind the cab, extending past the length of the bottom frame. Bend the left side of the rectangle. Step 4. Draw the bumpers and lights. Add a small rectangular with rounded corners on the bottom left side of the cabin to form the bumper. For headlights, draw a vertical rectangle above the bumper. Next, add a rear fender and an upside-down triangle for the rear lights. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our lessons. There are details about our products and services in the description. Let's continue. Step 5. Draw the wheels. Use 2 circles to draw a wheel in the groove below the front cab. Draw 2 more wheels below the dump box. Ensure all the wheels are the same size. Step 6. Draw the cabin door and window. Add a vertical rectangle for the door and another rectangle on top for the window. Step 7. Decorate the dump box. Add diagonal shapes on the side of the dump box to give it some texture. Step 8. Add some load. To indicate that our dump truck is transporting something, use rough lines to add some load to the dump box. Step 9. Add some background. Make the drawing stand out by adding some background. We added a road to our drawing. You can be more creative and add clouds, trees, or grass. Step 10. Color your drawing. Use your favorite colors to color your drawing. And there you have it! A beautiful dump truck to show off to your friends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and your drawing turned out great. Thanks for joining us and see you in our next video tutorial.